Hello guys, today we have Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Pro power button not working. The customer bring the device that he can't power on the device despite of the battery is fully charged. You can now see the battery is fully charged. I'm pressing the power button but without any luck. So let's now tear down the device and replace that power button. Remove all screws. In order to open this device, we need to heat the screen with 2 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds so we can detach it from the frame or the housing. This operation takes long time if the phone is the first time being opened. This device is the first time being opened, so that's why it will take about 15 minutes to be opened. So I had speed this up a little for you and we will continue the work. I'm using my nails to detach the screen, but you can use any plastic tools. I don't recommend to use any metal tools. This is important. We don't need to damage the screen. Anyway, I will meet you in a few seconds. Finally, we were able to remove the housing. Alright, we have a black screw. You can remove it, then you can unplug the screen and the front camera, and now you can remove the board. Also, we have ear speaker flex cable. Don't forget to remove it. Alright, it's important to remove the rear camera because we are going to put some heat, and also cover this IC with the yellow adhesive. Put some amtic flux and then get the soldering with the heating gun. I used the 4 Celsius degree with the heating gun with the soldering iron. Put some antique flux. Now we will put some low melt solder because we are going to clean the solder before we solder a new one. This is a low melt solder. It's about 230 Celsius degree, can be melt. Now we will use the wick to remove it. Put some antique flux again and continue wiping and wick the soldering. Alright. Now clean with the alcohol before soldering the new one. I'm going first to use the heat gun to put the power button in place. Then I will use the soldering to solder the pins. Put some antique flux, and then now we can bring the soldering iron to solder the pins. We have 1, 2, 3 pins, and the middle is to like leg. We have 3 legs and 2 pins. Alright, solder them, and then we will flip the board to solder the legs from the back, and then we will continue. Make sure the pins are connected carefully. You have to solder from the back. It's very important because we need the power button to be very solid. Now clean with the alcohol and then continue soldering the pins from this area. Alright, looks perfect. Now we are going to assemble and test. We should be fine and the power button should be working. Clean and then you can assemble and test. Alright, the phone is powered on now. The problem has been solved. All you have to do now just to assemble the phone and that's it. Our problem for today has been solved. If you have any questions, you can just write down in the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.